So we need the rain. That grass leading up to the mangroves is kind of dry. You hear some thunder and lightning going on. End of April. It's a Monday. It was April 26th on a Monday, about 6:30 at night. I never get my days right. I know it's Monday. Monday the 26th of April. Getting into rainy season. Thank goodness. The mangroves are right down there. The ocean's right over there. We just got mangroves in between. The water comes right up to the edge there. So that real high tide, it comes up to the concrete there. It's been up to a couple of those stairs during a hurricane. That house over there actually flooded out. Got about a foot of water in it during Irene. Crazy. I was here. There was water all the way up to that brown fence. Got in that house, believe it or not. Yeah. And there was a cat right hanging out right on top of that pole all night. The water was right up to that air conditioner, about halfway up, and in that house. Yeah. We had about almost 7 feet of storm surge here during Irma, and we're like 80 miles north of where the hurricane hit, down in Lower Keys. That way. That way is Key West. About 94 miles Key West that way. The Atlantic Ocean is out that way. Key West is that way. The Florida Bay is that way. And then out that way is Miami, Homestead. And like I said, behind me, behind the house is Atlantic Ocean. But that way is kind of like southwest right there. And that's kind of like northeast that way. North, northeast, south, southwest. You get my drift. Hope I'm not confusing you. The sun always sets back here. On this side of the building, the sun always sets back here. The sun always sets back here somewhere, depending on the equinox. It always comes up that way, okay? Can't open my door all the way. That way is east, that way is west. That way is east. That's like west. It's hard to say. North, south, east, west. There we go. West is like that way. North is that way. Yeah. That's north and south right about there. So right about that way is north and south. Right there. North. Corner of that building. It's really hard to say. That's definitely southwest, looking that way. Nice rain. Here's some birds chirping. Nice little soaker, man. I love it. Usually in the Florida Keys this time of year, at the end of the day, we get some rains. It's nice. Even if it's only for an hour or so. Great. Well, alright. I hope that gets greener. I'll do a report. Let's see what that does. It's all limestone. Try to make something out of it, but you really can't. A little bit better over here, but the mangroves are right there. It'd be a great place for a tilapia pond, though. All right, folks, we're out of here.